Hello and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, let's make some breakfast idea, or you can also have this for brunch or dinner as I am. And we are going to simply make some kind of thing. I do not know what to call it exactly. And these are the ingredients that I'm having for today's recipe. So for this particular dish, I have some leftover potatoes and I want to cook them as soon as possible. And also, I was planning on making a similar recipe but for pancakes, and that will be a very great breakfast idea. But since I do not have the eggs, I've decided to do a little bit of some modification here and there. So these are the list of ingredients that I have for today. And from this corner I have some cooking oil. This is some all-purpose flour. I have some salt. This is some cornstarch, and this is going to enhance the crunch. And this is also baking powder that is also meant for the crunch. I have a few spices here, and I have some paprika. I've used a lot. Okay, not a lot. I've used a significant amount of paprika. I have some rico powder. I have some beef masala. You can also add some black pepper. You can also add any other spice that you like. I have my 2 potatoes that I had peeled yesterday. I have my piece of capsicum. I have 1 baby marrow, but I'm going to use about half of it. I have half an onion. I have my cabbage that I've already cut into small pieces. I have some 2 carrots. I have some coriander. And without further ado, let's get started.
searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.